Hello, hello, hello again. So, I got stuff in the mail and I'm very, very excited. So I said, okay, I'm gonna do an unboxing. I actually just recorded another video today, but then I got this in the mail, so I'm very happy. This is 2 items. One's a bag, one's a outfit. Well, not an outfit, but oh my goodness. I think it should be a dress and a skirt in here. So let me make this a bit easier. Did not think this through. Okay. Vanna Black. Vanna Black. Y'all ever heard of that? Okay, either way. Yes, I'll do this one first. We're gonna open it. Oh, I should do this away from me. I've already taken off all the label and everything. And I hope this fits. If this fits, this will be the second Chanel ready-to-wear piece that I found with tags that should fit. I'll bring the other one out, but okay. So obviously, this is where I got it from. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is the bag. Okay. Please fit. Let's see here. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Okay, so far so good. So, hopefully this will, okay, let's see if this is going around my waist. What the, this isn't new with tags. What is this? What goes around comes around. Okay, well, I thought this was, when it said with tags, I thought it meant the original Chanel tags. Oh, okay. Well, oh, this is so cute. The Chanel that's on it. Let me see if this will show up. Let me get on the other side of this. It's a little airplane. Is this gonna show? I think I just learned that this thing zooms. Yeah, it does. There we go. Isn't it pretty? Oh, blue's one. Oh, blue is one of my favorite colors. So, is this gonna show up again? No, but that's okay. So, how did I have this set up? Yeah, I think it was like that. Okay, so that's the skirt. I'm so very excited. Okay, so that was the skirt. Blue is one of my favorite colors. Oh, let me show you the other skirt that I got. That I love. Okay, so this is the other Chanel skirt that I got. My first ready-to-wear piece. I didn't even think they made clothes in my size. I wear a 22, 24. It's so cute on. I wear it with a black and white striped shirt. So do you see, you know, these stripes are horizontal and so is the other shirt. But in this case, here's the button. Let me zoom in. It's gonna clear up. Why did you do it the last time? Oh, I'm gonna make it happen. It's like a comedy of errors. How come it's not giving the detail? Well, it's 2 hands shaking. This is so weird. It focused on the last one. Oh man, that's fine. That's fine. Go ahead and Maybe I zoomed in too much. Okay, maybe that was the issue. Okay, let's try this one more time. Because it's like those little details matter. All right, you're not gonna like me today, huh? Okay, but I mean, it's not very clear. I'm sorry, but two hands shaking with the double C on top of it. Oh, acting up on me today again, y'all. But anyhow, I've worn the mess out of this skirt. And this is from 2008 or 12. I can't remember which one. But the inside of it is just delicious. It's just so well made. And no, I cannot afford new Chanel prices at all. Oh, it is 12C. So it's from the 12C collection, Cruise. Oh, and then this is the little Chanel here on the back. Let's see here. Made in France, all the good stuff, size 50. I've seen other size 50 items and in person, and they do not fit me. So I don't know if they're more generous in sizing or if the way this is supposed to hang, it's like supposed to be super loose on a smaller person. But my shirt goes above. It zips, don't get me wrong, it zips, it buttons up. But all I know is, I have a picture up on my my Instagram page. It's the same thing, FunLuxe, with this skirt and the outfit. But this is my new skirt. And this one, I think, let's see here. It says, I don't know if it says anything. Oh, 8C. So this is from 2008. Bring this up for y'all. So one of these, I'm going to invest in a better camera than my iPad. Okay, well, it says 8C right there. Either way, I'm so surprised. Not happy that the tags they were referring to is just another consignment company's tag, so I don't get that. But anyways, that's the skirt. Oh, you know what? I can measure against this. They'll tell me right now if I need to embarrass myself or not. Okay. Okay. So let's compare the waist. Oh, child, no. No. So this waist is together and bring it over. Yeah. That's a significant difference. Yeah. Oh. I might be able to squeeze in this, but it won't be as obvious, it won't be as comfortable as this. I can wear this no problem. But that's okay. That's okay. So far this year, well, I can't say that I've lost weight because I gained some of it back at the holidays. But overall, I've lost weight, so I'm not too worried about that. That little bit, I think I can get into by summer. And this is definitely more of a summer anyways, but I just love this skirt. Oh, so happy. And then the other thing I got, I'm trying a new brand. Uh-oh. Just pulling out. I'm not happy with it. Huh. I mean, it's used clothes. What am I getting pissy about? Okay. What the? I thought this was a drop. Okay, so this is Marina Rinaldi, and it's the plus size line for Max Mara. Oh, okay, wait a minute. Maybe this is nice. All right then. I don't know if y'all can see. Oh, but I thought it was just a dress. I was gonna, oh, I guess I handed it over. Oh, I look a hot mess, y'all. What the hell is this? What? I don't know what this is. Oh, maybe if it's sleeves. Oh, it's sleeves, I guess. Yeah, right? Oh my gosh, I've never seen anything like this before. It's sleeves, maybe? That don't fit me. Oh man. Okay. Okay, this one said new with tags. Okay, good. Fall winter 18. Oh, sorry. I keep forgetting how far away I am. So, Marina Rinaldi. This was fall winter 18. And I guess the normal price was $7.50 or so. And this is the sizing. Yeah. What was this? Oh yeah, $7.50. And I didn't pay nowhere near that. But I don't know if this is gonna fit. Huh. All right, y'all. We're gonna do a quick striptease. I'm gonna see if this dress fits. Ah, this is gonna be funny. Oh. Oh, let's see here. Okay, come on. Let's see what happens here. I mean, it should fit. I wear 22, 24, depending on the cut. Well, not depending on the cut. That's my size right now. And ooh, alrighty. Let's see what happens here. Oh, I'm wearing jeans. What am I doing? Okay. Okay. Ooh, child. Is this gonna work? All right, let's see. I'm gonna let y'all see before I go to the mirror. Oh, my boobs look good in it. Okay, that's always a problem. I have huge breasts. Okay, here we go. Little tummy. Oh, but it has ruching. So, front, side, oh my, back, side. It feels good. Okay, so this is what I have. Let me go into the, what's this? Oh, I can't see it. I'm going to the bathroom. Yeah, there's no editing. I don't know how to do that. I actually love the way my breasts look. Like, this is wonderful. Love the way this looks. I'm not wearing shapewear, so I'm okay with this. Cause get this snatched. Very happy about this. Let me see if I'm gonna embarrass myself with this skirt. Actually, no, I'm not, because I already know. If it fits, it's gonna be skin tight, because this is snug. This is snug. Anyhow, okay, enough of clothing. So this was good. This is good. I'm still happy. Blue is one of my favorite colors. Oh, can't wait to wear this summertime. Okay. Oh yeah, these sleeves. Ain't nobody wearing this. Is that? Y'all tell me if I've gotten this wrong. I'm assuming these are supposed to be sleeves, right? What are they supposed to be? I don't know. I mean, oh, maybe it's not that I wear it. Like, if I ever want to make them, if I ever want to make this long sleeve, I would take this to a seamstress. Okay. Yeah, I don't know. Okay, that's fine. So there's this, and oh, so this was very glad I got this. Oh, and the Real, they send you, you know, a little, you know, receipt on the inside of it. And let me see. Yeah, that's what this is. Boop, 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 boop. Yay. And next is this. Oh, I'm so excited for this. So, okay. just on my lunch break. I mean, I get an hour lunch, so I'm not in danger of being late, but if I keep running my mouth, I will. Oh, so this is from, let me hide my address, y'all. This is from Telfar. I'm so happy. I can't tell if y'all can see from back there or not yet. There we go. Telfar. Oh, and if you know, you know, but these items are very hard to obtain. So, Telfar. And, oh, okay then. Comes in this bag. Alrighty. Ooh, nice bag. Oh, there's no, oh, there it is. Very nice bag. Oh, yeah. Close up of it. You guys see that? Yeah, this is low tech. I just took a peek. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is my new beauty. Oh my gosh, I love it. Oh my gosh, I love it. Oh my gosh, I love it. Okay, how do I? Okay. Oh! This is the medium size Telfar bag. Oh my gosh. This bag is awesome. I'm gonna have to do a review. This, oh my gosh, I love it. Love it. I ain't had it but for 4 seconds. Oh my gosh, I love this bag. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna stop saying oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I love this bag. Oh, I love this bag. Oh, okay, let me get a quick close-up for y'all. So know this video's long. Oh my gosh, I love this bag. Look at this. I love it. I love it. This interior. I'll do an actual bag review later, but I am very happy. Oh, I love this bag. So anyhow, y'all, yes, this is all success. No fails this time. Yay. Have a new bag. Have a new dress. And a new skirt. I am a happy camper. And let's see, does this fit easily? Uh-oh, uh-oh. Oh yeah, it sure does. Guess once it's not so stiff, it'll just fall in because it almost falls in now. Oh yeah, I'll be rocking this weekend. Oh no, I'm not, because I'm doing stuff with my new Coach bag. But this will be maybe the following weekend. Either way, this is my new bag. I love it. All right, y'all, there you go. All right, I'll talk to y'all next time. One of these days, I'm going to be consistent with uploading videos. One of these days, not today. Bye, you guys.